Hello?
Hello, yes.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Hello, this is Felix.
Hello?
What? Yes.
Okay, you can hear me now?
This, yes.
Please place your phones on mute.
Okay.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies, no interrupting the judge while he is speaking. When he wants you to speak, he will prompt you to speak. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge. Good morning. All right. Good morning, everybody. I'm going to try to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. If your matter was set for trial, I'm going to give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock to 9:30. If the officer appears, we'll get you in with an attorney. If the officer does not appear, then we'll get you out of here. With that being said, we'll start with the city of Detroit versus, are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Detroit versus Martin Odisho. Odisho, give me the correct pronunciation, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. Give me the correct pronunciation of your name.
I'm sorry?
Give me the correct pronunciation of the last name, please.
Odisho. Odeesho.
Odisho. Do you need an interpreter, sir?
No, I'm good.
All right, case number SP 1810133, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 181015551. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Odisho.
Martin Odisho. Martin. Odisho. Odeesho.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Odisha, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, are there off-docket matters?
I just see, no, it's 4 matters on the docket, and it's 4 matters that we call for trial.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jeffrey Thomas Garcia, case number SP 1805272, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1805271. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P70578, on behalf of Mr. Garcia. State your name for the record, sir.
Jeffrey Garcia.
All right, good morning to you, sir. I did receive your email, which was valid proof that from Shaped Like Glass, that the glass is fixed, proof of registration, and proof of insurance. I'm going to dismiss your cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I'll wish you a safe and happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Reginald Long. Case numbers SP 122-41651, U59451021, and B13295824. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Long. State your name for the record, please.
Reginald Long.
Give me 1 second, Mr. Long. What is your middle name, sir?
Alonzo. I have a junior.
Strike that from the record. What is your date of birth, sir?
9/28/1973.
Let's call City of Detroit versus Reginald Long, case number SP 173-64431, SP 173-64441. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Long. State your name again for the record, sir.
Reginald Alonzo Long.
All right, good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Long will put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, right?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Give me 1 second, please. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. I have you checked in, Officer. Good morning to you. Is Eric Lewis here? Is Eric Lewis here?
Yes, good morning. Yes, I'm here.
That's Ogletree's client. We'll wait on Mr. Ogletree. Is Lyons here, Khalil Lyons?
Yes, Khalil Lyons is here.
All right, good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Khalil Lyons, case number SP 159-82781, SP 179-8524, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Staff Sherika Harris, P 72832, on behalf of Mr. Lyons. Please state your name for the record.
Khalil Lyons.
All right, good morning to you, sir. There's an off-docket matter, Ms. Harris, of a driving license improper. Enter a not guilty plea on this behalf. We're getting a $0 bond on that. Mr. Lyons, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Take care. Take this car, please.
Your Honor, Mr. Reginald Long indicated he sent you an email yesterday with the course as well as his insurance document.
I didn't get anything. It did not come through.
Okay, thank you.
I got an email from him, but no documentation came along with it.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Your Honor, I'm just letting you know I have courtrooms in different courts today.
Okay, I'll have you marked as here.
Yeah.
Make sure you.
However,
please.
I do have an offer for the matter for Miss Larkin.
All right, make sure you talk to the city attorney.
Okay.
I don't know when she's gonna appear. You can go ahead and come on back in, though. I have you marked as appear.
Are you dismissing this matter or are you some type of prosecutor?
That's Master Sergeant, Mr. I believe that means your trooper, Mrs. Simon.
290. I wrote you down as
Amir,
59.
ask you to start your video, unmute yourself and state your name, please.
So I got you right down to 859, Officer Simon.
Amir Lipsy.
Amir Lipsy, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
I am trying to get. I have an issue with my video, Judge.
That's all right. Are you here for the speeding ticket or whatever that was? Who's your defendant, Master Sergeant Jackson?
Yes, sir, that would be Mr. Glover from 2020.
Oh, okay. That's not, so your guy, I don't know, Mr. Is Mr. Simon there? He was waiting on a trooper as well. Abdu Baker.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You have to turn your camera on, please. And Abdu, are you an officer?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you.
Morning.
All right. Are we ready on anyone?
Ready, that's
Ready
Mr.
on Lion.
Odisho, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Odisho. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to speeding 1 to 5 over for the 11 to 15 miles over. And the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find your client responsible of the amended count of 1 to 5 over $125. When can you pay it, sir?
I can pay it now, Your Honor.
All right. I'll give you till tomorrow to get it in here. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a safe and happy holiday season, sir.
Thank you. To Your Honor.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Kevin Lewis, case numbers SP 1804282, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes,
Elwood S.
Kevin Lewis.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Lewis. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Kevin Lewis.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Now, Mr. Lewis does have a recent speeding ticket of 16 to 20 over. I wouldn't have any issue with allowing him to be heard on that if the city does not have an issue with setting that default judgment aside. Mr. Lewis, Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in a breakout room with them. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Join the room, pass the matter.
Your Honor, is it Kevin Lewis on the docket?
He has a 16 to 10 over, no insurance misdemeanor, and then he has that 16 to 20 over that's not on the docket, that's in default, that happened recently.
6 to 10 over, okay. All right, thank you.
That's on the docket.
I just don't find him on the docket. That's my problem.
6 to 10 is, yeah.
Got it.
All right.
Kevin Lewis, okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lyons. Mr. Lyons, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is requesting trial and formal hearing date, please.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Lyons?
Yes, sir.
All right, that will be, trial will be December the 22nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right? All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Zurich, Denmark, Linton. Case numbers ST 5381, SP 1339642, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 136000811, SP 136048771, SP 137-82781, SP 151-86361, SP 18018, strike that, SP 1801049, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1801051, counts 1 and counts 2, U 63558122, U 64605222, 22358167, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Linton, please state your name for the record.
Zarek DeMarco Linton.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Let me ask you this.
Good morning.
You need some alcohol treatment, sir?
Say that again, sir. I'm sorry.
Do you feel you need some alcohol treatment?
No, sir.
Do you understand why I asked you that?
No, sir.
You don't?
No.
Trespassing allegation, alcohol-related violation, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver allegation, disorderly conduct allegation. Ms. Harris, talk to Mr. Linton and see if you can get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Was an attorney requested, Your Honor?
No. Mr. Linton, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, officer. What's your name?
Sanders.
Sanders?
Yes, sir.
No attorney was requested, Mr.
That's the middle name. No, it's for Greg. For speeding.
Where is he? Gregory,
Yes.
9 o'clock, he's a formal hearing.
I haven't seen him yet.
I have to
It's not
check in
done.
next door.
Fine, I got you, check. All right, we're just waiting on a lawyer now.
It doesn't have Sanders, I don't know, it has the. You don't see it in yours? Let me see the sheet. Just yesterday's paperwork. It's not on there. Let's see.
Where's Ogletree? Ogletree here? Yeah, let's see.
There's another officer down.
For my ticket.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't know who that is.
What's your?
I have no idea who that is.
Okay, hold on. What's your badge?
3054.
305.
540. I'm sure I wrote the ticket, but Sanders.
Oh, that's the. What's your first name?
Arnold.
Okay. That's the. That's why it's not coming up.
I can't handle another client while I'm waiting on an updated offer.
Okay, I don't know who's going, it's, Gordon, is this Mr. Bob, Mr.
Yeah, well, who is
Ogletree's client?
Kennedy? Okay.
Sorry. Maybe not. City of Detroit versus Jafari Dion Gordon, case numbers SP 17-223-221, SP 18-022-9, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gordon. State your name for the record, sir.
Jafari Gordon.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Gordon, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put them in 7.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Join the room.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What you want to do when you come out?
All right, Your Honor, the civil infraction, is that,
Blowing, what is that? Let's see.
the interfering with pedestrian traffic?
I think maybe it may be, but let me see. I don't have that ticket in front of me. Let's see what it says on the ROA. Blocking crosswalk interfering with pedestrian traffic, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Pass the matter. I see you got, good morning to you folks, but,
Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you.
morning.
Prosecutor, I haven't been here in a long time. Good morning, sir. The prosecutor. In four?
Yeah, or you can zoom in and she's in room 4 in here. She's on the other side of the elevators on 4.
Okay.
Who was Angel Gaston's attorney?
Oh.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes,
My name is Kenneth Griffin. Am I in the courtroom, sir?
I'm sure you are. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Morning.
Hey, morning, Jan, how you doing? How's the holiday for you?
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Kevin Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter pleas of blocking traffic for both the speeding tickets, the one on docket, the one off docket. The no insurance matter to be dismissed.
That's an amazing offer there. You want to take the deal, Mr. Lewis?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
I'll find your client responsible for the amended counts of blocking traffic for the 16 to 20 over and amended count of blocking traffic for the 6 to 10 over. I'll fine you $175 a piece, sir. When can you pay?
Get paid Friday. I can pay it Friday.
All right, pay by Friday, December the 5th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I obey your safe and happy holiday season.
Thank you. Happy holidays to y'all too.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Portia Danielle Lindsay, case number SP 1801242, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lindsay.
Portia Danielle Lindsay.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Lindsay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Yes, sir.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Linton. Mr. Linton, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What does your client want to do?
Requesting the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Linton?
Yes, sir.
I set a pretrial date for December the 22nd, 2025 at 8:30. That date is set to make sure that you hear from that attorney. If you don't hear from that attorney by that date, then I'm gonna get one appointed to you on the spot on that date. I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you a safe. I'll see you before the holiday.
You too, sir. Can I ask a question?
Pardon me?
Can I ask a question?
You may.
Am I coming in person or is it still in Zoom?
It's Zoom.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Nadine Lewis. Dolores Lewis. Was this an appointed case? City of Detroit versus Nadine Dolores Lewis. Case number. This is set for trial. I don't know if the officer has appeared yet. No. Ms. Lewis, I'm going to pass the matter. I'm going to give the officer has a few more minutes to show up.
Okay.
If the officer show up, we'll get you out of here.
Thank you.
Free is the attorney. We're waiting for him to come in.
Hey, Your Honor.
Morning to you, sir.
Yes, sir. I just want to check in. I'm on here on O'Neill. I'm en route to 36th District in person too, so I just want to ask my courtrooms.
All right, you're checked in.
All right, thank you, sir.
Be safe. Alexandro Hannah,
Yes, sir, I'm here.
good morning to you.
Good morning.
He's got a court date on December 4th. The class that he's required to take is on December 5th. So he wants to reschedule. Who's this?
This is Oliver Holmes.
Here today? He is, Your Honor. He came in person? Yes, sir. He wants to know, can he reschedule the 4th? Because the class is the City of Detroit versus Alejandro Lujano, case number SP 1772531, SP 1772545. Appearance for the record, please.
Okay, Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Alejandro Lujano.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Ms. Harris
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. He has another additional careless driving that went into default. I wouldn't have any issue with setting the default aside if the city has no objection. Mr. Lujano, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room. Ms. Harris, let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay. Thank you.
Support that.
Let's pass the matter.
Just trying to make sure. It's not to the 8th. He's Oliver.
Are we ready on Lindsay? Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lindsay. Ms. Lindsay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and has also shown by demonstration that she has, the brake lights are repaired and operable. We seek dismissal.
Okay, thank you so much. Case dismissed. Take it easy. Case dismissed. Ms. Lindsay, have a safe, happy holiday season. And best of luck to you, okay?
You too. Thank you so much.
This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Mariah Goodman, case numbers SP 144-50201, SP 147-4486, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 158-1042, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 161-8674-1, SP 163-64541, SP 164-1980, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Goodman.
Mariah Goodman.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
You enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. The attorney is here now. Mr. Goodman, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
She's in there, Mr. Pass the matter. Mr. Simon, who's your client? Omar Abdel.
Yes, Your Honor. Abdel Omar. I do not see the trooper. It's either Tyler Daniel or Daniel Tyler in the Zoom, and it is now approaching 9:30. So I would move to dismiss.
State of Michigan versus Abdel Omar, case number SX 4613071. Appearance for the record, please.
Jonathan Simon, P 35596 on behalf of Mr. Omar.
What about your client's presence, Counselor? Your retained counsel,
Yes, Your Honor. I would waive his presence for this civil infraction.
and you have the authority, and you have the authority to enter into an agreement on his behalf?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because I grant the authority to waive presence. I'll waive his presence based on that representation. Daniel Tyler. Daniel Tyler. I do not see that name on my list. Not hearing that person as I call out the name, and not seeing that person in the Zoom room. Go ahead, Counsel.
Your Honor, move to dismiss without prejudice.
All right, I'll grant the motion to dismiss. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Have a safe, happy holiday season.
Thank you, Your Honor. The same to you and your family.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, if it's possible for me to get a copy of the ticket for Jakari Gordon, I need to see what statute that civil infractions are written under, and if it come with any points.
Copy of the ticket for the board. I heard that. Okay. Oh, I don't have it. I don't have it. It's not in the file. Maybe Ms. Mathis can pull it up. She needs a copy of that one SB 108. It's not in the file.
SB 108.
Yeah. It's the second set of tickets. Now, what's Devin Gray? Devin Gray.
I think that's my client, Your Honor.
Yes, yes. Here's the yeah, he's here. The attorney's here. All right, have you spoken with the city? What is, do you want to give an offer?
I give an offer. We can do
All right,
one.
this is the city of Detroit versus Devin Gray, case number SP 181-48971. Appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Levitsky here on behalf of Mr. Gray.
All right, Officer
Sanders, 7th Precinct.
7th Precinct. What's your badge number, Officer Sanders?
3054.
All right, today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. What about Mr. Gray? Where is Mr. Gray?
Mr. Gray is he's not here with me today. I did speak with him yesterday, and he's available.
Are you retained counsel?
I am.
You have the authority to enter into any agreement on his behalf?
I do.
I'll waive the client's presence. Officer, you want to give a offer?
Yes, sir. We can do 1 to 5 limited access.
1 to 5 limited access, counselor.
That's fine.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsibility on the client's behalf.
Yes.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other, strike that. While find your client based on that stipulation, limited access 1 to $525. Tell your client to pay it by December the 15th. If there's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season. And you would be safe out there as well, Officer Sanders. Have a safe, happy holiday season.
Thank you, sir. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Thank you, Officer.
let's go back on the record with Ms. Griffin. Ms. Griffin, I'll give you an opportunity. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Goodman?
Yes.
All right, come back December 22nd, 2025 at 9 a.m., ma'am. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Judge, what was Attorney Levitsky's client name?
His client's name was Devin Gray.
Thank you.
Sir Wilson,
City of Detroit versus Antoine Lewis, case number SP 1279869, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1283647, 1, SP 169324221, SP 1696441, SP 1697089, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 170512331, SP 1720193, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1740069, counts 1, 2. SP 1740070, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1745317, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1745381, counts 1, 2, and 3. State of Michigan versus strike that, Antoine Lewis, case number SX 449970, 3, counts 2, counts 1, 2, and 3, and 214813911. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Juan Lewis, ANTWON, Lewis, LEWIS.
Okay,
For
Mr.
purposes
Lewis.
of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Lewis, if you continue to get these tickets and continue to drive, then you're gonna force me to put you in jail, sir.
Yes, sir.
I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 tickets into the record, Mr. Berry.
I have 20, Your Honor.
Okay, so there's some civil infractions that allowing him to set aside. The city has no objection. No plates, no valid registration, defective brake light, failure to stop, or failure to signal at a stop. I don't know what that is. Improper display of plate, no seat belt. Does that take care of them? Should. No, strike the no seat belt. Strike the no seat belt. That should be it. Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Yes, sir.
Just pass the matter. Step up. Okay. Calvin Lee, are you here? Is Calvin Lee here? He's supposed to be here on the 15th. All right. Mr. Carnell Green, good morning to you. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Good morning to you, Judge.
Good morning. Do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, I do. This is the insurance.
All right, let me see. Hold on, give me a second. The city of Detroit versus Carnell Green. Case numbers SP 1808001, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, Mr. Green.
Carnell D. Green.
All right, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on this behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Green, let's see what you have as far as registration and insurance.
This is a copy of the insurance. I'm showing on the camera. And then this is
that's Williams in somebody else's name.
it's my daughter's car. Yes, it was my daughter's car. I was just driving it.
Which one's car were you driving?
I was driving the 300S.
All right, very well. Let's see what else you have.
And then this is the registration.
Very well. Hold on one second. I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Same to you. Have a nice holiday.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Officer Donald, you're free to leave, Mr. Green. Be safe. Officer Donald.
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, I'm just I'm coming back from the other two courtrooms that I was checking in on.
Okay. Mr. Dupree.
Yes, Judge.
I think we can call this one. City of Detroit versus Angel Latrice Gadsden, case number SP 172-75761.
Sorry, Judge, you said that Matthew Dupree, Pede 0132 for the defendant.
Ms. Gadsden, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Oh, yes, I guess that was still.
My name is Angel Latrice Jackson.
Judge, this is Attorney Ogletree's case.
Is it Ogletree's case?
It is, Judge. Sorry.
I'm sorry. Yes. Oh, and that was not set.
Okay.
All right, let me
Okay.
give this, waiting on Mr. Ogletree. Thank you, Mr.
Yep.
All right, who do you have, Mr. Dupree? Where'd he go? All right, let's wait. We're waiting on a lawyer now. That doesn't mean you have to join, you just have the option to join if you want to.
Okay. You able to come to work? You just not.
One or two. Morning.
I'm here on, I learned already, I think O'Neill.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Long. Mr. Reginald Long, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is aware of his trial and formal hearing rights. However, he would like to enter a responsible plea and accept the people's recommendation to amend the civil infraction to impeding traffic and dismissal of the no insurance charge, Your Honor.
Want to take the deal, Mr. Long?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an active factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for dismissal of the other matter.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the failure for the disregard of traffic control device. Mr. Long, $175. When can you pay it?
Can you give me a couple weeks on a Friday?
December the 19th.
I could do it on the 12th.
Well, December the 12th.
Yes.
December the, handed any did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload did that after your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I could tell you to pay it. Mr. Long, have a safe, happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you.
Thank y'all very much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. I seem to have lost Mr. Gordon. Well, here it is. All right, let's go with let's go to the city of Detroit. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gordon. Mr. Gordon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is aware of his trial and formal hearing rights. However, he would like to enter a responsible plea and accept the people's recommendation to impeding and with the dismissal of both insurance misdemeanors.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gordon?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea under client's behalf, counsel?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. That blocking the pedestrian walkway is a point ticket.
You said it is, Your Honor?
I think it is, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what I believe it is. I just wanted to make sure that we gave him something with 0 points and didn't abstract.
It is blocking all right, you, $175, sir. When can you pay it?
In like a week or two.
Was December 12th?
Yes, sir.
Pay it by December 12th, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir. You too.
You're welcome. All right. City of Detroit.
Ooh.
Versus Jamira Larkin, case number SP 102-5963, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 114-04941. SP 116-4294, counts 1 and counts 2. Hold on one second. SB 172-025, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1, no, strike that, strike that. Strike that. SB 1172088, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1725047 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1733705 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1772674 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1772675 counts 1, 2, and 3. Appear for the record, please.
Anthony Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Larkin, state your name for the record. Ms. Larkin?
Yes, I'm here. I had to unmute. Is it Myra Larkin?
Let's call it U 418-02517 into the record. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today's date and time set for a trial. I have Corporal Haywood is here. I have Corporal Baker is here. I have Officer Daoud here.
Ram is here.
Who's here?
Karam, Karam.
Karam is here. Do you see anyone else?
I'm looking. That might be it for her. Did any of them check in and left to go to another room? Like that might be it.
All right, get Miss Larkin, Miss Barfield's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for trial. Put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Officer Solomon didn't check anything for you.
Who did?
Officer Solomon.
Jamal Solomon,
Yes, you checked in
he checked in.
at 8:59.
All right, Jamal's 8:59. Okay, Jamal Solomon checked in as well.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Officer, we're back on the record. Officer Graham, can you state your name, badge number, department for the record for Ms. Larkin?
Officer Karam, badge number 2514. Sorry, police.
Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
Go in there and get Hayward, Officer Baker, Corporal Baker, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record for Larkins, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Corporal Artez Baker, badge 21, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. Can you get Officer Corporal Hayward out of the breakout room and Officer Daoud out of the breakout room, please? All right, we're gonna pass the matter. They're getting them off.
Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Luhano. Mr. Luhano, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
My client is going to admit responsibility to the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 over with a misdemeanor matter dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Take the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. Mr. Lahama, when can you pay it?
Friday.
Pay by December the 5th, 2025. Pay it at any DivNet kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivNet app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If there's nothing further, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Same for you. Thank you.
And Your Honor,
Yes.
I was speaking with Ms. Horner. We were just trying to check on a few things for trial matters. Did Corporal Fidel check in with the court this morning?
Yes, he did.
He did. Okay, thank you. And Corporal and Gross, I think is here now. I think she just needed.
You checked in as well. All right, City of Detroit versus Gary Locust, case number SP 180576061. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Gary Locust, unmute yourself, please.
All right,
State your name for the record, please.
Gary Locust.
All right, Mr. Locust, good morning to you. I'm gonna put today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the
Excuse
room.
me, where's the officer? He assured me that
Join
he
the
would.
room, sir. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Oh, I bought minutes, bought minutes. I'm sorry. Are you ready on anybody, Mr. Dupree?
Yes, Judge, I am ready on all of mine. In no particular order, we could begin with
City of
Nadine.
Detroit versus Nadine Dolores Lewis. Case number SP 174929991. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PH 0132 for the defendant. Ms. Lewis, would you state your name, please?
Nadine Dolores Lewis.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is date and time set for a trial. I don't believe the officers have showed on these, right?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Motion.
I move to dismiss, Judge.
I have a motion to dismiss Ms. Lewis. There's nothing further. Have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. Happy holiday season to you as well.
All right, thank you. Who's next, Mr. Dupree?
Judge, next up would be Martez Lyons.
Are you there, Mr. Lyons?
Yes, sir. Good morning. Oh, man.
City of Detroit versus Martez Lyons, case numbers U67809-823, SP 1406749-1, SP 1464160-1. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PH 0132 for the defendant. Mr. Lyons, your name, please.
Martez Lyons.
Judge, on all of these matters, either the officer has not appeared or the officer did appear and indicated no recollection. We would just move to dismiss all of these matters.
Okay, Officer Corey Bush was appeared. And his case, ESP 1464160-1. Officer Corey Bush, are you here? We'll dismiss that, no recollection. Officer Martez Jones appeared. SP 1406749. We'll dismiss that, no recollection. Then we use 67809-823, Officer L. Jones. I don't believe I've seen an Officer L. Jones show. We'll grant the motion to dismiss that, no officer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I will waive the warrant fees. Sir, there's nothing further. I wish you the safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay.
All right, who's next?
Andre Gillison, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I apologize
Yeah,
for
hello?
interrupting.
Hello?
One at a time. Who's that? Also, your case is, they're working on your case now. All right, City of Detroit versus Andre Gillison, case number U726242125.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, Mr. Gillison.
Good morning to you, sir.
Judge, the city is recommending dismissal of this matter in the interests of justice. We would join in the recommendation and stipulate to probable cause.
All right, with that stipulation, case dismissed. Mr. Gillison, have a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
I have a question, Your Honor.
Yeah.
The Vice, they took my firearm, and I want to know, can I get it back?
That's not before me. I'm sure you can go to the precinct and you got a dismissal here, so I don't know why you wouldn't be able to get it back, but if not, you're gonna have to seek an attorney.
Yes, sir.
To help you.
Yes, sir. All right, then that's all. Then you all have a good day.
Have a great, safe, happy holiday season, sir. Best of luck to you.
You too, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Is that it, Mr. Dupree?
That's all the cases I've got, Judge. Have a good one.
Be safe. I'll see you soon.
That's right. I'm sorry, I got it. Thank you. Right.
Give us 1 second. All right, let's go. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to improper place ending in 8693. Improper place as charged ending in 0701. Failure to display entered as 0702. Another improper place charge ending in 53172. Another improper plates charge ending in 53173. a failure to display charge for the ticket ending in 7032. Another improper plate charge plea to the unregistered vehicle that's ending in 7033. And finally, the
Wait a minute, stop. 7032, what was that improper plate?
That's improper plates, yes, for the no registration.
7031, what is that?
That is failure to display the no operating license on person.
And then the last one, 7033?
Well, that is the last on the docket, yes, Your Honor. And that's improper plates. And then off docket, the limited access for the failure to signal stop. Limited access 1 to 5. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
Not at all.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Not at all.
Where's my phone?
Take your hat off, sir, if you want to. You want to do this by stipulation, or do you want to do it for just judicial economy, Mr. Or you want to go through every plea?
We do it by stipulation, Your Honor.
You're not going to contest any of these matters that you got pulled over and got any of these tickets that you're pleading to, are you, Mr. Lewis?
Am I going to contest them?
Yeah, that you got pulled over, and that you didn't get pulled over, or you weren't issued the ticket, and if you were issued the ticket unjustly or something. You're not going to say that, are you?
No, not at all.
All right. So for the purposes of this plea, will you stipulate to the faces of the tickets as an active factual basis for those guilty pleas?
Yes,
so
sir.
stipulated, Your Honor.
Will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, I'm going to enter a guilty plea for SP 127-98693 improper plate. I'm going to find you guilty, SP 174007001. Count 1 will be improper plate as charged. Count 2 will be amended to failure to display. SP 174-53172 is as charged guilty. Count 3 of that will be amended to improper plate. I'm going to find you responsible of the amended count of limited access 1 to 5. For SX4499703 count 1, I'll find you guilty of failure to display. And count 2, amended count of improper plate. And we'll dismiss the other matters that we call into the record. As for fines, Are you working, sir?
Yes, sir.
How long-
I told him I can start paying fines on the 11th and get paid every Thursday after that.
I'll waive the warrant fees. I'll fine you $125 for the limited access. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 misdemeanors are supposed to be $240 a piece. I'm gonna fine you for 3 of them. I'm gonna cut you a break on the other 4. What's so funny? What's so funny, Mr. Lopez?
I'm sitting there just listening. Can I laugh? I'm sorry. I didn't
No,
mean. I
you
didn't know you
can't. No,
could
you
hear.
can't. No, you can't laugh.
I didn't know you could hear me.
All right, I can hear you just like I can heard you last time. $240, $240, and $240. And I won't find you on the other ones. All right, what I'll do is I'm gonna give you until a review date, come back in 30 days. On January the 6th, 2026 at 8:25, I'm marking the file allow payment plan.
Okay.
So we'll do one of 2 things. Either pay it off by January 6, 2026, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or get into that payment plan on or before January 26, all right?
Yes, sir. What's the total?
No, I don't know that. It's too much to add up, sir. It is.
Yes,
You
sir.
have several civil infractions. You can, once Ms. Mathis gets it in the system, you'll be able to see it online. I wish you a safe and happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Philip Michael McKay, case number U60199121. Appearance for the record, please. Strike. This is Kirk Leach. Strike. Kirk Leach.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. City of Detroit versus Kirk David Leach, case number N7644692111, SP 11000128, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SP 11001421. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Leach.
Kirk David Leach.
What's your first name?
Kevontae Lagon. Kevontae Lagon.
All right, Mr. Leach, good morning to you. Today is the date and
Good
time
morning, Your Honor.
set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Berry, he'll be in there and join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. All right, Ms. Lagon as well. Good morning to both of you. Are you Ms. Lagon? Ligon?
Yes, sir.
And what's your son's first name? You can speak up.
Kevontae.
Spell it.
KEVONTAE.
Haven't you been here before?
Yes.
You missed your court date.
Yes.
please. All right. Let's go past that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Locust. All right.
Yes.
My understanding, you want a trial, sir?
I guess, yes.
What do you mean you guess? What do you mean you guess?
I'm saying that's the way to resolve this matter, yeah.
Then you can plead guilty to it too.
No, but the officer in question who gave me the citation told me if I
I don't
came
want
to
to hear
court.
about what the officer in question did. Those are your two options. You can plead guilty or you can take it to trial. Which
Let's
one
go
do you?
to trial. Trial. Yes.
Trial date is December 22nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
And do I have to do the Zoom thing or is it in person?
Zoom or come in person, whatever you choose.
Okay. I'm quite sure y'all notify me of this. Okay. Thank you, y'all. You have a nice day.
You have a better one.
Mr. Locust, that was your notice. Please make sure you write that date down, please.
December the 22nd
Yes, sir.
at 9 o'clock, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, I'm quite sure y'all gonna send me a flyer or something, right?
Write it down.
I'll ask the judge for that one, for clarification on that one.
Don't ask me, because I'm already fed up with you. We already told me the date, so you got the date. If you get a notice, you get a notice. If you don't, you don't. I don't want to have anything. Have a good day, sir. All right, let's go call it. This is a walk-in, and we'll just arraign him and get him another date. City of Detroit versus Felix Angel Chavez. Case numbers SP 126-53881 and SP and 217-357-261. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
You have to unmute yourself by pressing *6, Mr. Chavez. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. All right. I'm going to go ahead and pass that. He's not responding. Lamar. Mr. Lamar, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Or that Mrs. Lamar? I'm sorry. Is that Aliza?
Jose.
Jose? Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Aliza Lamar, case number SP 1076196, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1137572, counts 1 and counts 2. You got to be quiet, ma'am. SP 1150442, counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3. SP 1524065. SP 1571146, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1571141, SP 1602510, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 6 and count 3. SP 1611005. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lamar. Ms. Lamar, please state your name for the record.
Alize Lamar.
Ms. Lamar, you're going to force me to lock you up if you keep getting these tickets, all right?
Yes, sir.
Today is the time set for arraignment on the bench warrant, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I see, two no insurance proofs, three no insurance proofs, 336, and 288. That's preventing Miss Lamar from getting clearances, at least with the 36th District Court. Miss Lamar, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Mr. Baughman, are you ready?
Ready, Your Honor, on both cases.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Edward Michael Glover. Case numbers SP 1773074, counts 1, 2, and 3, and U 56336520. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Glover. Give the court your full and complete name, please.
Name is Edward Michael Glover.
Thank
All right,
you.
good morning to you, Mr. Glover. The Sergeant, Master Sergeant Michael Jackson, good morning to you. State your name, badge number, department for the record, please. Is he in the room now? He was here.
Yeah, I did have a conversation and would acknowledge that the good officer Jackson did appear. He did indicate to the prosecutor that he was unable to proceed to trial for lack of recollection of the instant event, and for that reason, I would stipulate to probable cause for the recommendation that that matter be dismissed. In addition, we did not have an appearance from Officer Melvin Brown, and for that reason, those matters I'm moving to dismiss without prejudice.
I'll grant the motion to dismiss for Officer Jackson, no recollection. I will note the file that he did appear, and I will grant the motion to dismiss for Officer Brown for no officer. I will waive the warrant fee. Mr. Glover, if there's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you, okay?
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Who else, Mr. Baughman?
We're already on Lipsy. Amir Lipsy, can you activate your camera?
It's activated.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Amir Lipsy. Case number SP 177287281. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you give the court your full name?
Amir Lipsy.
Thank you.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Who's the officer in here?
Dottie is here, Your Honor. The people are ready for trial. The defendant is going to waive her right to that event. She's going to plead pursuant to the recommendation that this matter be held for 90 days as a delayed sentence. She understands what that means. She's going to give you a factual basis here and now to accept her guilty plea.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Ogletree went over your, strike that. Mr. Baughman went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room. Did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I don't.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, Officer Shoddy, can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Yes, sir.
I'm Officer Sadi, badge number 5095, and I'm out of the 7th Precinct.
Detroit Police Department,
Yes, sir, Detroit Police Department.
and good morning to you.
Good
Okay,
morning, sir.
let's see, let me draw your attention back to August the 9th, 2025, at around 12:50 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Parkview Street and Dwight. Did you have an occasion on that day, be in that area around that date and that time?
I'm sorry, can you repeat the last part?
Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
No occasion, I was just there.
Well, you had an occasion then, right?
Oh, yeah,
Well,
I'm sorry, yeah.
What's down there?
It was just the park.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to find you guilty. Park's closed at 10 p.m., open at 6, I believe. So it's a strict liability offense unless you have, I guess if you had some good defense to being down there, I would think maybe being homeless or something of that nature would probably mitigate it. But I find you guilty, $240 fine, 3-month delayed sentence, meaning if you don't get in any trouble, you pay the fine. If you don't get in any trouble like this and you pay the fine, then we will dismiss the case. I'll have you back on March the 2nd, 2025. And then he did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. If there's nothing further, you have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Thank you, you too.
Well,
Thank you, Your Honor.
anything else, Mr. Baughman?
That's all for now. Thank you. Have a great day. All right, bye.
Mr. Barry, are we ready on anyone?
Ready as to Mr. Leach, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Leach. Mr. Leach, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to failure to display for the driving on a suspended license and improper plate as to the no trailer plate charge. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir? Mr. Leach, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor. Sorry, thought I was muted still.
Want to take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you
Yes,
raise your
Your
right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is your hand raised? Right hand raised?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth. Turn it over to you.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
There you go. You got them already. You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to, way back to July the 30th, 2020, at around 11:55 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Flyer and Davison. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I believe so. I was outside of the junkyard or whatever dump it is.
Well,
I'm gonna say yes. I can't remember. I mean, it was 2020. I can't remember what it was about.
well, did you have contact with the police on that day? Do you remember that?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating this 2010 Jeep?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, Your Honor.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, Your Honor, I could not.
And why is that?
At the time, I did not care to have my license taken care of, so I just was driving. And I'm, getting older, trying to clean my life up, get it back together here. So.
Something wrong with the plate on that vehicle, on that trailer? Were you pulling a trailer?
Yeah, at the time I had a trailer that I bought and I never plated it. So it did not have a license plate on the trailer, but the car was plated and insured.
I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display for not having a valid driver's license. I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of improper plate for not having a trailer plate. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'll waive the warrant fee, you'll pay the reinstatement fees. I'll only fine you for the one failure to display. You have two other civil infractions you didn't pay related to that. When can you pay it?
I was there about a month ago. I have receipts for any pending charges or fines that I had.
I don't
for
see
like
any,
one that was.
Listen. I don't see any of that. I see that you owe no registration, 180. Trailer lights, 240. Now you owe another 240 for the failure to display. I told you I wasn't fining you for the improper plate. I need to know when can you pay 240. You can turn yourself with the other stuff. If it's not right, then you have receipts for that. 240.
Okay, so I can pay that 240 Friday.
Pay the 240 Friday. It's gonna read, actually, it's gonna read 285. I'm only concerned about the 240 on that, because that $45 is the reinstatement fee. I waived the warrant fees, but you have to pay the reinstatement fees. So I'll give you until December the 5th to pay that 240. And I can even mark the file allow payment plan, and you can get into a payment plan on all of it. You would have to come down to the courthouse to do that. Pay it any div that kiosk.
I live in Tennessee. I would not be able to, but I do have a question.
Okay.
Would I be able to send like my sister down there on my behalf to pay
Absolutely.
all this?
They'll take anybody's money, I'm sure.
I figured.
All right, Mr.
All right, thank you, sir.
Mr. Leach, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Goodbye.
Diamond Lee, is Diamond Lee here? Diamond G, I'm sorry. Diamond G.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning, Your Honor.
This is Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the City of Detroit versus Diamond G. Case number SP 1457938. Count 1 and count 2. SP 146315561, SP 169035551. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. G.
Diamond G.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Well, enter a not guilty plea on your client to give your client a $0 bond. Ms. G, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay, thank you.
When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? And let's pass the matter. Join the room, please. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lamar. Ms. Lamar, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Yes.
We're requesting a pretrial date and the ability to pay reinstatement fees up front.
Well, I'm gonna give her the opportunity to pay the reinstatement fees with the understanding that that she's gonna have to pay the whole ticket off. Because they're old.
Understood, Your Honor.
I see it.
You see him, okay.
I'm going as fast as I can. I'm gonna set you a pretrial date for December the 22nd, 2025 at 9 a.m., ma'am. If you don't have anything further, you have to bring that money down to the court. There's no better way I can allow you to pay that other than bringing it down to the courthouse and paying it in person. If you don't have anything further, I'll see you back on December 22nd. Best of luck to you.
I won't be able to pay anything this month.
All right, well, come back on December 22nd now.
Alrighty, thank you.
Best of luck to you. City of Detroit versus James Guerin, case number SP 1267835. Is that you, Mr.?
Yeah.
SP 136, City of Detroit versus James Guerin, case number SP 1267835, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yeah, I want to read on behalf of Mr. James Guerin, P number 69127. Mr. Guerin, can you state his full name?
James Guerin, Gerren.
Good morning to you, sir. Today's date and time set for a pretrial. What does Mr. Guerin want to do, Mr. Overstreet?
He's requesting this trial date.
Our trial date is going to be December the 22nd, 2025 at 9 a.m., Mr. Guerin. If there's nothing further, be safe. I'll see you back before the holiday.
All right, thank you.
Who's next?
Ms. Love, she's already set for a trial today. I spoke to the prosecutor. She said that she didn't see the officer. I don't know if the court has any record that the officer's appearing. I think it's Officer Bolden.
Let me get Ms. Harris started. City of Detroit versus, well, this is not something that is going to take a second. Where's Napoleon Lewis? I know. All right. City of Detroit versus Napoleon Lewis. Press *6 to unmute yourself, sir. All right. City of Detroit versus Napoleon Lewis. Case number U576324221. Ms. Harris, appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Napoleon Lewis, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. All right, he unmuted himself, but he's not responding now. That's Upshaw's client. Let's pass the matter. There's arraignment on the bench warrant anyway. All right, let's pass the matter. Let me just get Ms. Harris going, Mr. Holster, and I'll get to your clients. Is Kenneth Griffin here? It's the City of Detroit versus Kenneth Dwight Griffin. Case number SP 180900291. Here to the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Griffin, please state your name for the record.
Kenneth Griffin.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. He owes some money that he never paid, this open alcohol and beer for passenger. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Griffin. Speak to Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you updated off your mind. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let's see what you want to do when you come out, please. All right, let's pass the matter. All right, who's next, Mr. Overstreet?
Miss Love, that was the one set for trial today. But I have some other clients requesting this trial.
This is the City of Detroit versus Tyresha Latrice Love, case number SP 174-11841. Appearance for the record, please.
Everyone know what you're about for Miss Love?
Ms. Love, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Tyresha Love.
Tyresha Love, I'm sorry. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer L. Bowman. Officer L. Bowman. I don't recall seeing Mr. Bowman, Officer Bowman check in on my list. Go ahead, Mr. All right. I'll grant the motion to dismiss. No officer, Ms. Love. Have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Thank you. Same to you. Thank y'all.
Thank you. Who's next?
Jacqueline.
Yes.
Could we seek out Mr. Patel for Ms. G, please?
Absolutely. Ms. Lee, are you there? Jacqueline Lee? Jacqueline Lee there.
She's right there. She's trying to unmute.
Oh, yes, I'm here. I was trying to unmute it. It was acting kind of difficult to unmute.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. This is the City of Detroit versus Jacqueline Lee, case number SP 177577771. Appearance for the record, please.
Everyone know what you're behalf of Miss Lee? Ms. Lee, can you say your full name?
Jacqueline LaFonda Lee.
Requesting a bench trial date.
Time set for a pretrial. Ms. Lee, you know that if you get found guilty or you plead to this this discharging a firearm, I'm gonna fine you the maximum amount, all right? You're gonna take a 12-month delayed sentence, gun safety course, and a $500 fine. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, trial date will be December the 22nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who's next, Mr. Oaks?
Eric Lewis.
Eric Lewis there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
This is the City of Detroit versus Eric Jason Lewis, case number SP 1777586, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Everyone know what you're about for Mr. Lewis? Mr. Lewis, can you state your full name?
Yes, Eric Jason Lewis.
All right, date and time set for a pre-trial. Is this a trial date as well?
Yes.
Trial is December the 22nd, Mr. Lewis, 2025 at 9 a.m. Have a very good rest of your day and be safe.
You too as well. Thanks again.
Angel Golston.
Golston?
Yeah, or Gaston, Gaston.
Right. City of Detroit versus Angel Latrice Gaston, case number SP 172757761. Appearance for the record, please.
Everyone know what you're about for Ms. Gaston? Ms. Gaston, can you state your name? You say your name, Ms. Gaston?
Ms. Gaston, all right, good morning to you. Today is the day. Good morning to you. Go ahead.
She's special requested this trial date.
Trial date.
Is it possible to do the following date for her? 23rd?
Is it? 23rd? 23rd. December the 23rd, 2025 at 9 a.m., Ms. Gaston. There's nothing further. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, you too.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Mr. Grayson, I don't think he's checked in. I've not seen him.
Grayson?
But no response.
Very well.
Then I also have Robert Gorman.
Gorman?
Yes, Gorman, G-O-R.
Yes. City of Detroit versus Robert Gorman, case number V14-353-825, V14-353-925, V14-354-025, V14-354-125, and SP-177-01521. Appearance on the record, please.
Aaron, what's your about Mr. Gorman? Mr. Gorman, you say your name? Gorman?
Mr. Gorman, state your name for the record, please. Is he still here?
Was.
Hold on.
Okay.
Oh, here he is. Here he is. Mr. Gorman, state your name for the record, please. Robert Gorman.
Yes, Robert Gorman.
Good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time set for a free trial. What does Mr. Gorman want to do?
There's a resolution. They're saying if he pleads, and he's pleading no contest for civil liability purposes, the dog nuisance, then the balance will be dismissed, and it will be a 3-month, it will be dismissal upon payment.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanors of 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did. Yes.
Okay. You understood those rights?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I don't.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor. No.
And this was
Dismissal upon payment. No contest for civil liability.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that no contest plea.
Yes.
Yes.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes.
You know, the no contest plea is going to be treated like a guilty plea for sentencing. I'm going to sentence you to $240 fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay?
Partial payment, can
I don't do partial payments.
I know. At the middle of the month, I can pay the half of it, and then I can pay the other half next month. Is that fine, Your Honor?
Come back January the 6th.
Okay.
January the 6th, pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDad after your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. That's your next court date at 8:25. Pay it and we'll dismiss the case. If you don't have anything further, sir, wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
You too, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And who else?
Just Mr. Lakin. We're just requesting a bench trial deal now. Who wasn't on the document? Mr. Lakin wasn't on the document. Scheduled on.
No, he missed his court date.
Raymond on the bench.
City of Detroit. Got some nice penmanship. I didn't think they taught that anymore. What grade are you in?
I graduated.
High school? When?
Class of 2024.
That's right. That's you. And they still taught in cursive writing?
No, I just learned. I was
All right. Spell the first name.
KEBONTAE.
City of Detroit versus Cavante Deshawn Ligon, case number SP 1766991. He's not on the docket today. Good morning to you. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Aaron Ocean, about Mr. Ligon, University of Wisconsin. Can you say the full name?
All right, spell your name for the record for Miss Williams Law, so she can make.
KEBONTAE. Last name Ligon, LIGON.
Did you get that, Miss Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Purposes of arraignment, we'll call the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant.
Wait for the arraignment to stand in.
Enter not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. I do recognize your mom's here. You want to stand up and state your name for the record, Mom?
Tiffany Harlan.
All right, Tiffany Harden. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to call you. All right. So your son already missed a day, didn't he?
Yeah, we wasn't aware of it.
Well, he was.
No, he wasn't.
How not?
Because they got mixed up in the mail. We're in an apartment, so it went to the neighbor's mailbox.
Okay, I thought I saw him before.
No, sir.
All right, I'm sorry. All right, very well. All right, so you're in good hands with Mr. Ogletree. You want a trial date?
Yes, can we do the 23rd?
December the 23rd, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, thanks for coming down, Mom. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you. I'll see you before the holiday, all right? Thank you.
That's it.
That's it. All right, let's go with let's go back on the record with Mr. Kenneth Griffin. Mr. Kenneth Griffin, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, he wants a trial date.
Yes, Your Honor. Please and thank you.
December 22nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. Griffin, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you. Go ahead.
I'm trying to pay the rest of these tickets. Could you give me January, sir?
Well, come back on December the 22nd. And who knows, you might strike a rich before that.
Okay. Yes, sir. Have a good day.
And I'll review these other ones.
Okay, 22nd.
Yes. All right, you ready on Blair Logan, Ms. Harris?
Ready, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Blair Logan, case numbers SP 176-20991, SP 176-748891. Appearance for the record, please.
Blair Logan. Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Logan. Mr. Logan, please state your name for the record.
Blair Logan.
Good morning to you, sir. We have Corporal Ambrose is here, and Officer Abu Baker is here. Has there been a resolution, Ms. Harris?
Yes, Your Honor. As my understanding, there was no recollection on Officer Abu Baker's matter. That matter is being dismissed, and my client is going to admit responsibility to the amended count of blocking traffic for the speeding ticket, Your Honor. We would stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, with those stipulations, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. For the I'm trying to pull them out of the room. Can someone go in there and get Officer Abu Baker and Corporal Ambrose? All right. So $175, sir.
Yes, sir. I'll have it by Friday.
Any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Mr. Logan, have a very good rest of your day. Have a safe and happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right, Officer Corporal Ambrose, I got you marked up here. Mr. Baker took the deal. Have a very good day. Be safe. I don't know if I'll see you before the holiday. If I don't, have a safe and happy holiday season. Can you go in there and get Officer? Can you go in there and get Officer Abu Baker out?
I went in and tell him to return to the main session. I guess he stepped away from his device.
Okay. Be safe, Corporal Ambrose. All right. Where does that leave us? That leaves me with Philip McKay.
You're gonna have to call me back later.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm sorry, I jumped the gun on that last time. I'm well. How about yourself?
I'm good, thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Philip McKay, case number U6019921. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. McKay.
Philip Michael McKay.
All right, good morning to you. Officer Dean was here. Officer Dean, good morning to you. Can you state your name and for the department for the record, please?
Corporal Leanne Dean.
I'm sorry, Corporal Dean. All right, date, time set for a trial. What's going to be the resolution, if there's any? I know I didn't give Mr. opportunity to speak to anyone yet.
Your Honor.
Yes.
If I could speak for a moment, I want to dismiss the ticket for no recollection. It's case is almost 5 years old.
Okay, very well. I figured that maybe. Case dismissed, sir, for no recollection. I understand. I think we talked last time about maintaining your sobriety, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. I've got almost 3 years now.
Very good, sir. We wish you the best of luck, man. Continue maintaining your sobriety, and we wish you a safe and happy holiday season. I'm going to waive the warrant fee, and best of luck to you. And Corporal Dean, you be safe out there as well. Have a safe and happy holiday season. All right.
Thank you. Same to you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Corporal Dean. Thank you, Your Honor. Happy holidays. Take care.
Okay, let's move on down to
Ready on Larkin.
Larkin. Let's get Brizard started for Mr. Berry, and let's get Landry started, then we'll get Larkin out of here, all right?
Okay, Your Honor.
Is Brizard represented by someone? No. City of Detroit versus Daryl Brizard, case number SP 1776808, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 180828331, SP 1808410, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grizzard.
Keith Grizzard Jr.
Turn your camera on, sir. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial Mr. Grizzard, I know that Officer Theodore Essing was here. He's still in the room. We'll try to pull him out. And then let's see the other individual, Officer Raul Garcia and Officer Nelson. I saw Officer Nelson appear. I don't believe I saw Raul Garcia. Mr. Grizzard, Mr. Berry's gonna help you sort this out, get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer today as a date and time set for trial. Join the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
He put his hat on. Take your hat off. All right, pass the matter. Lauderdale. Good morning. City of Detroit versus the Von Lauderdale, case number SP 1763781. Here for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lauderdale, please state your name for the record. Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. There is a recommendation to dismiss. We ask court to adopt the recommendation. We stipulate to probable cause.
All right, case dismissed, sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, what happened to Antonio Gavin? Who was representing him?
I'm right here, Your Honor. I'm right here, Your Honor.
Let's get, okay, first of all, Mr. Patel, good morning to you, Miss G. I don't know where she is now.
Okay, so you can go into January. Okay. Are you sure? Because we can do the 6th. 6th will be good. Okay, so
City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Antonio Antoine Gavin. Case numbers SP 17877. Wait a minute. Let me see. Wait a minute. Okay, I don't see an appointed attorney. SP 1787711 counts 1, 2, and 3. B133840424. B133841124. Appear for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Gavin, please state your name for the record.
Antonio Antoine Gavin Sr.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Sir.
You said senior, are you 84, 1984?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Day is date and time set for a trial. Officer Joel Du Bois and Officer V. Charleston. I have not seen either one of those officers.
Defense will move to dismiss for failure of complaining witness to appear.
All right. Grant the motion to dismiss. Dismiss no officer. Mr. Gavin, I'll waive the warrant fee. Nothing further, sir. Have a very good, safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.
Thank you. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Larkin. Larkin, I've given you an opportunity. I don't see Diamond G. Hold on one second. I don't see Diamond G. I'll let these people, I don't know what that LI is starting. I don't want, oh, he's on the docket. This is Felix Chavez is on the telephone.
Yes.
All right. Good morning to you at 313-738-1763. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Hi, this is Diamond G. I just called back in because my phone had disconnected and it wouldn't let me join the Zoom.
All right. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Patel, Ms. G.
Okay, thank you.
iPhone. Good morning to you. What's your name? Unmute yourself, please. Start your camera.
Okay. Elisa Lane.
Lane.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Elisa Lane, case number FP 1758060, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
Elisa Lane.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Lane. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. As for purposes of arraignment on the warrant, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. There is another expired plate that I wouldn't have you issue with set aside Ms. Lane, if Ms. Lane, if the city has no objection, join the room, Ms. Lane, Ms. Harris, get your updated offer.
Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Larkin. Ms. Larkin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is aware that today is her trial and formal hearing. However, she would like to enter a guilty and responsible plea and accept the people's recommendation. If I may, Your Honor, go straight down the docket and tell you what the offer is.
You may.
All right, as it pertains to SP 1025963, count 2, unregistered motor vehicle. If she plead to that, it'll be amended to improper plates. Ticket number SP 1172088, count 3. It will be amended to failure to display a license. If she was to plead to ticket number SP 1725047, count 1, it will be amended to allowing unlicensed driver to drive. SP 1733751, it will be amended to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. If she was to plead to ticket number SP 1725047, it will be amended to blockading. If she was to plead to plea as charged to, give me a moment, plea as charged to SP 177-26751, the other matters will be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
And then you still owe this money on this indecent exposure or obscene charge.
How much is that she owe, Your Honor?
Says $390.
$390 for that one, Ms. Larkin.
And what ticket was that?
From 2017, indecent, and obscene conduct.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Are you gonna put your hand down? Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense? These are misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Bradfield went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
I'm sorry?
Ms. Bradfield went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, but I have a question on one of these tickets.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Ms. Bradfield didn't go over your tickets with you and answer your questions?
Yeah.
All right, what, you say you have a question on the ticket?
The 2017. That's a ticket. There's no way that ticket can be threw out.
No, that's already been pled to. You pled to that, and you never paid.
Right.
What I can do is I can reset the fine of what I would fine you today. All right, let's go, are you contesting any of these matters, these other matters, these traffic matters, ma'am? Would you agree that you got pulled over on these date and times?
Yes, on one.
Say what?
I say yes on the one in the vehicle.
We're gonna go over each one of them now. Let me draw your attention back to September 17th, 2019, at around 2:43 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Puritan and Stahalin. They say you were operating a 2014 Nissan. Do you recall getting pulled over on that day?
No.
Would you be contesting the fact that you did get pulled over on that day?
Yeah, but I don't remember that. I never owned any sign.
What I'm asking you is, the officer said he pulled you over and gave you these tickets. Do you have any reason to say that he's wrong, or that it wasn't you, or would you stipulate to that being you?
I might have, but I don't remember.
All right, you have to talk to her, Miss. You have to talk. She's not ready. Talk to her, Miss. I know the tickets are old. See if there's. I'm trying to find out if there's going to be any contest to these tickets. I'll allow her to plead to no contest for lack of recollection for the age of the tickets. But talk to her and see if you can get an understanding. If she wants to contest it, today has to be the date and time to do so. Rejoin the breakout room, Ms. Larkin, and speak with Ms. Bradfield, okay?
Okay.
All right, that breakout room is open still for you, ma'am. You should be able to go down and get in that room. On the, let's pass the matter on the Samsung device. Can you unmute yourself and state your name, please?
Darrell Keith Grizzard Jr.
That's not you, sir.
Oh, apologize.
No, I'm sorry. This fly, how does a fly get in? What is this?
Put some hands on the top of my Kevin.
How am I gonna hear it? Is that on an iPhone? iPhone, I'm asking you to unmute yourself.
Felix?
iPhone. Can you unmute, take your hat off, sir. What's your name, please?
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, what's your name, sir?
Dreon O'Neill.
All right. All right. All right, what are we ready on? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grizzard. Mr. Grizzard, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client will avail himself of the people's offer to enter pleas to expired plates as charged, that is ending in 4102, and enter a plea to blocking traffic for the disregarding a traffic device sign ending in 4103. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Grizzard?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the basis of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for those responsible pleas on your client's behalf, Mr. Berry.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic and as charged to the expired plate. I'll dismiss the other matters. I won't fine you for the expired plate. I'll just fine you for the blocking traffic, $175. You already owe for an old brake lights ticket, $144. When can you pay it, sir?
After January 1st.
January 6th, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Thank you too, Your Honor. But I got one question. I ain't getting no points, did I?
No.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
All right.
City of Detroit versus Felix Angel Chavez. This was yesterday, Mr. Berry. Case number SP 126538881 and 217357261. Hearings for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Chavez.
Felix Angel Chavez.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We enter a not guilty plea on Mr. Chavez. We have given a $0 bond. One is a no-ops, and the other one is a driving license suspended. He owes $288 on an old no insurance proof. He owes $108 on an old no registration, and he owes $246 on an old defective equipment. They're very old. I'm going to give Mr. Chavez, I'm going to give you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
He's in there, Mr. Berry. Let's pass the matter. Are we ready on Larkin?
Yes, Your Honor. She would like to enter a no contest plea for lack of memory.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Larkin. Ms. Larkin, you're like, again, you're not contesting that this officer pulled you over and gave you these tickets. Is that correct?
Yes.
And you wouldn't contest the validity of the tickets at the time. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. With those stipulations, I will enter a no contest plea for lack of recollection.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. And what stipulates the probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right. I'll bring that old ticket down to 240, what I was sent to you today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're gonna pay the 125 for the talking on the cell phone while driving. And I'll fine you for two of the misdemeanors, 240 apiece. You owe a lot. You owe a lot of money out here, ma'am.
And Your Honor, she has a couple civil infractions for no proof of insurance. She's interested in getting into a payment plan, but if you will allow her to pay her reinstatement fees in advance on those two matters.
I'm sure I've already done that. She just never paid them.
They won't let me. And Secretary of State.
The Secretary of State got to come down to the courthouse.
You have to come to the courthouse and pay it. I've already put it in there. It's already in there, ma'am. Pay reinstatement fee up front.
At the courthouse?
At the courthouse.
I went down there.
Well, you gotta come down again and then come up here. If you have another issue, then come up to the courtroom and we'll fix it.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna give you till January 6th to get this together. I'll mark a live payment plan. What Miss Bradfield is saying is, before you even talk about a payment plan, pay that $45 reinstatement fee up front, so they can take that off of there. And so
for them two tickets, the 240 ticket?
No insurance proof.
The two that you have highlighted on that sheet you showed me, Ms. Larkin.
Okay.
I don't see but one no insurance proof, Ms. Brad.
She had a printout with two.
I see.
I think she made a partial payment on one of them, I think. Okay.
Now, keep in mind, this is with the understanding that you're gonna pay these whole tickets.
Yeah.
Your Honor, if it could be notated on ticket number SP 117-20872, it's not notated on that ticket.
That's what I'm doing. That's
Okay,
what I did.
thank you. Thank you.
So do one of two things, pay these reinstatement fees first, and then don't even talk about that, the payment plan, until you pay the reinstatement fees and they give you clearances. Then I'm gonna mark the file allowed payment plan. Either pay it all off by January 6th. I'm fining you 240 plus 240 for the two misdemeanors, and I'm fining you 125 for the driving on cell phone. I reduced your indecent exposure to 240, and the other matters I didn't fine you for. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any other reinstatement fees as well, but pay the two reinstatement fees to those two tickets that you have first, so you can potentially set yourself up to get a license. And by January 6th, come back on January 6th, 2025, and to do one of two things: pay those matters off, or get into a payment plan. Pay at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDac app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Ms. Larkin, have a safe, happy holiday season. If you don't have any further questions.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
Okay, is that Corporal Hayward, Baker, anybody for Barton? is free to leave and be safe. Baker, Larkin, Hayward, Corporal, and Officer Karam and Daoud. Be safe out there. Have a safe, happy holiday season if I don't see you.
Have a good day, Your Honor.
Thank you. Let me take a few seconds break, all right? I'll be right back.
Court is in recess.
Excuse me, may I speak with the clerk? This is our Corporal Spidell.
We in recess. Well, I mean, what do you want, Corpus Spidell? I mean, excuse me, I can help you.
Yes, I was just trying to see if my person had been heard.
Nope, not yet.
Okay.
Oh, you said not yet. Thank you, Chair Harris.
No
Oh,
problem.
yeah, also Corporal Baker, I was trying to see if my other person been heard.
Who's your other person? Ms. Mathis, you can take your break. I'm gonna try to help out here. Who's your
Okay.
person, Corporal Baker?
I had, Oldham and Larkins.
I believe they just did Larkins, correct?
Right, yes,
And the other one was, is it Elliott?
yes.
I can't say with reasonable certainty that I saw that person check in today, so I'm gonna say no, we haven't done that one yet.
Okay, I'll stand by.
Thank you. Anybody else? All right, everybody else, just please stay muted. Your case will be called shortly.
Hello?
Yes, what is your name?
Yeah, Mr. Lewis.
Mr. Lewis? We need a first name, Mr. Lewis.
First name is Keon, Kenyyn.
You said Ken?
Yon, Lewis.
Yon Lewis? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I have your device renamed. Just stay muted and the judge will be with you shortly.
Okay, thank
Thank you.
you. Uh-huh.
Hello? Hello?
All right, is that Napoleon Lewis?
Yes, sir.
All right, City of Detroit versus Napoleon Lewis, case number U5763242. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne
Napoleon Lewis.
Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Napoleon Lewis. State your name for the record, sir.
Napoleon Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for, is this really set for a rain on the bench warrant? Go ahead, counsel.
Purpose of arraignment, he stand mute, wait for my readings, Your Honor.
You are not guilty, plea of your client's behalf, if your client's $0 bond. This is Upshaw was representing him. He didn't pay.
Mr.
You never,
Lewis.
he got quiet then, didn't he?
Hello? Oh.
You never paid, Mr. Lewis, this fine. You never.
Yes, sir.
Community service, HIV, STI testing as well.
Did you do any of that stuff?
No, sir.
Why not?
The time had lapsed and it had went by, and I was going through a lot of, personal issues with, bad luck in life.
All right, well, I don't want to have to give you some more bad luck and lock you up, so
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna waive the warrant costs. You have to get this taken care of. Do you have the number to eBay, Bradfield?
Yes.
Get him that information and get him the testing. and,
Okay.
and get them squared away. I'm gonna give them a month to do it. Come back on January the 6th. Wait to talk to Ms. Bradfield. January the 6th. Get this stuff done by January the 6th, and we can close this matter out at 8:25.
Okay, yes, sir.
You're gonna, waive the community service?
Yeah, I'll waive the community service.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Test 40 and the misdemeanor morality.
Okay. I'll put him into the, you said January 6th? I'll put him into the breakout room so I can speak with him.
Yeah, it's January 6th.
Hello. Hi, court. Hello.
All right, ma'am, you're gonna have to turn your camera on.
Oh, yes. Okay.
All right, who are we ready on?
Mr. Chavez, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Chavez. Mr. Chavez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display and the operating while licensed not on person's ticket to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Chavez?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Is
your hand raised, Mr. Chavez? Do you
Yes.
swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to October 26, 2021, at around 8:07 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Woodmere and Avis. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Was the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You could not do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
License has been suspended.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display with stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, $240, sir, and I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. When can you pay it?
Probably like beginning of January.
Pay it by January 6, 2026. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If you don't have anything further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, you too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Well, the license for Miss Lane is valid. All
Thank
right.
you. We're ready.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lane. Ms. Lane, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client was able to present valid insurance and registration. The court has confirmed a valid license.
All right, I'll dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. You still owe the court a substantial amount of money, ma'am. All right?
Yes.
All right. All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays too. Let's go back on the record with Miss Diamond G. Miss G, are you there?
Your Honor, I don't have the phone instructions for pulling her out of the breakout.
Get her out. Let's go back on the record with Miss Diamond G. Mr. Patel, can you state your name and put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Jayesh Patel, P number 65385 for Ms. G. Ms. G, would you please state your name for the record?
Diamond G.
All right, Ms. G, how was the conversation with Mr. Patel?
It was good, very informative. A few tasks I gotta get taken care of.
So you plan on joining the street court, outreach court?
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll put on there SP 126-17291, SP 145-79383, SP 146-31371. Those will go along with you, Mr. Patel. Ms. G, I'm going to say this to you. I understand that this is one of the most trying times in your life. We'll be praying for you, especially at this time of the season. Do you have kids, ma'am?
I didn't hear the last thing you said.
Do you have kids?
No, I don't have any children.
Okay, I'm gonna be praying for you. I know this is probably one of the most trying times of your life, and I'm gonna be praying for you that you get through this sooner rather than later. I do believe that the light the light is shining at the end of the tunnel. I do believe that if you persevere and you with diligence, determination, and the assistance of Mr. Patel and his staff, I do believe that light will shine brighter for you. I hope by the next time we speak that light is a lot brighter. I always give a quote from Dr. Martin Luther King. He says, the true test of a man is not where he stands in the moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands in the times of challenges and controversies. This is your test. So, it's time for you to step up and get yourself on a good path. And I'm sure that with the help, with some prayer, with the help from Mr. Patel and a lot of diligence and perseverance, you'll be there. So I hope that by the next time we talk, that things are a lot better for you, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right, Mr. Patel, what date do we need?
I would prefer last week in February. We don't have a return date for you.
Why don't we say March the 2nd, 2026 at 8:30.
All right.
March the 2nd. Have a safe and happy holiday season, ma'am. And we'll continue to pray for you, okay?
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you.
I have one question.
Yes.
If I can get these things done before that, is there any way that we can get the court date sooner?
Absolutely.
I just know that.
You'll be in contact with Mr. Patel. He can make that happen.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Dreon Jordan O'Neill. Case numbers SP 150-84941, SP 173-74161, SP 177-08291, SP 179-83171. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. O'Neill, please state your name for the record.
Dre O'Neill.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officers, Corporal Spidell, good morning to you. Are you there still? He's online, he's just not connected to audio. I did have Sergeant Eason as well. I don't know where he is now, if he did appear. Ms. Harris, I believe you worked this out for Mr. O'Neill already?
Yes, Your Honor, I have. He will be entering a plea on the 2023 matter, which is, I believe, Sergeant Eason's matter. It will be amended to allowing with the remaining matters dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. O'Neill?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No, no questions.
Officer Johnson did appear as well. You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Now, let me draw your attention back to October the 9th, 2023 at around 12:47 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Puritan and Cherry Lawn. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
To be honest, Your Honor, I don't really remember that day.
Well,
That 2022.
they indicated you were operating a 2013 Land Rover.
Is that a Land Rover?
Black in color?
What? Okay, no, I do remember it. Was that by Puritan area?
Exactly.
Okay, I do remember that. I do remember that. I was driving my cousin's car at the time, just going to the gas station. I remember that now, Your Honor.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
No, I told the officer straight up I didn't have any license. I told the officer everything.
Very well, I'm gonna find him guilty as charged for driving without a valid license. I'm gonna amend it to allowing. Stipulate the probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. O'Neill, $240, when can you pay?
Sometime, if not this week, sometime by next week for sure.
Put a date on it, sir.
Your Honor, could my client have 30 days to pay, please, and thank you.
Come back January the 6th, 2026, come back, pay. If you don't have to come back, if it's paid, pay it at any DivNet kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivNet app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If there's nothing further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
You too, Your Honor.
Thank you. Miss, give me the correct pronunciation of your name, Miss Lee. Did I get the right pronunciation?
Yes. Yes.
Give me the correct pronunciation of your name, please.
慧茹
Lee.
Yeah, 慧茹李 Yeah.
This is the city of Detroit versus Hui Lee. Case number is 180-50001, SP 180-50081. Appearance, please.
Yeah. Yes, it's correct.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
My name is Hui Li, Huiru. Last name is Li Li.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris, Ms. Lee. She's gonna attempt your updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you. Yeah,
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
sure, yeah.
Jan Lewis. Let's pass that matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Jan Lewis, case number SP 1633611. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Lewis. For purpose of arraignment, he stand mute, wait for my reading.
Mr. Lewis, state your name for the record, please.
Keon Lewis, Your Honor.
Turn your camera on, sir. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. How you doing today?
I'm well. Start your video, sir. All right. He has a couple of different tickets here. He has some for that are set for a pre-hearing. Two of them are set for a pre-hearing on the 12th. And that's the expired plate, no insurance. Then he has not set a court date for the other expired plate, no insurance. The payment due date is on the 9th. So turn your camera on, sir.
I'm having, let me see. Is it on?
No. I'm sending you the prompt. So he has two expired plates and two no insurance proofs that go along with that are out there. One has a pre-hearing and the other one doesn't. Speak to him in a breakout room, see if you can get him an updated offer, see if you can get him to understand how he turns his camera on. Join the room, sir. We'll pass the matter.
Okay, Your Honor.
That's it. So there's something to stop.
Or stop the type.
Yeah.
It's like a bit.
I just heard all this going on and
And I
then.
just stopped. Huh?
Yep.
No.
What's that, 15?
Huh?
15.
January, yeah. Yeah, that's Hanukkah. No. Oh, let me check. Yeah, Hanukkah. No. I'm not trying to make it so. We don't have.
Your Honor, we're ready on Mr. Lewis. He would like to ask that these matters be set for pretrial.
Okay.
He is having trouble with his video. I told him make sure he try to have his video working when he come back.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. What was it set for today?
Arraignment on the bench warrant.
What does he want to do with these other matters? Is he going down to those pre-hearings?
Actually, Your Honor, we'd like to ask if all of these could be set for the same date. He's going to bring valid documentation when he comes back.
All right, let's go and call SQ 1818420 counts 1 and counts 2 into the record. SP 1829826 counts 1 and counts 2 into the record. We'll set a pretrial / hearing for December 22nd, 2025 at 8:30. All right, Mr. Lewis? On all the matters.
Mr. Lewis, I need you to unmute to let me know you heard the judge.
Yes, I heard the judge.
Okay.
All right, be safe, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. You have to. You do the same.
I'll see you before the holiday. I'll see you before the holiday. All right.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
They will.
That's all I need.
That's all you need. Come back with your camera working next time.
I sure will, Your Honor.
All right. And come on time.
I had difficulty trying to get on a Zoom, so that's what my problem was. But it had finally came through.
All right, have a good day, sir.
All right, you too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Oh.
So if we didn't have nothing to eat.
We need some of these guest around to be Tim Hortons or somebody.
Yes.
We need a break from
the manicures, nails.
Hey, Mom, dude.
See y'all in a minute.
All right, we'll see you. I'm saying, all I'm there is crash.
Oh.
That was yesterday too.
Oh, yeah.
The next thing I know, you're cooking this. Getting this nasty fingernails all over.
Got it made.
I guess so.
Got it made.
I don't see no chips up there before they do.
No. What a green can.
Oh, that was big now.
No.
Asking us if he wants some sweet potato pie. Yeah.
Yeah.
I ate it all. My cousin said he ate all the sweet potato pie the other day.
And one set?
Yeah. No, I don't want to say there's just one slice. You just go for one and the next thing.
Oh, okay.
But he's
It
very.
probably was a small pie.
No, it wasn't. It was regular size sweet potato pie. He ate it.
This year. I didn't get what's that? Maybe I get some.
All right.
Hi.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
So
Your Honor, the recommendation is that she could admit responsibility to the amended count of blocking traffic. It's my understanding that she wishes to do that.
yeah.
You want to take the deal now?
Yeah. Yes.
All right, you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an agri-factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I don't find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for disregarding the red signal. $175. When can you pay it, Ms. Lee?
I can pay it right now.
All right, I'm gonna give you until tomorrow to get it in. You pay it at any DivDag kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways to pay it, but those ways will go through instantly. Pay it by tomorrow. If there's nothing further, Ms. Lee, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, so I'm wondering, how I can find the payment method through the website? Should I using the court number? Which?
You can do the DivDat, DIVDAT. That's an app.
DIVDET.
DIVDAT.
Okay.
DivDat. DIVDAT. That's an app. You can use that. It goes through instantly.
Okay, thank you.
Wait till it says $175 though.
Okay.
Okay, have a great day, ma'am.
Have
Happy
a nice
holidays.
day. Okay, thank you. Have a holiday. Bye bye.